Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our YouTube channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to talk about LoopholeLink. So this is a LoopholeLink review, and this is a product which will be launched on 2nd of July on Warrior Plus. And it's straightforward. We can see at the top it says in 30 seconds equals to mass promote any link for free. Buy traffic makes us $370 per day passively. So if you are watching our channel, this video for the first time, or if you have watched our videos in the past, then you need to know that whenever you see a website at the top saying you will make some money, especially when you see a number and it says per day passively, that website is a total scam. Okay, so if you are new to our video, make sure you stick till the end, because I'll prove everything how this is a scam. If you have been watching our videos, then by now you understand that what I'm trying to say here, because any website which shows some random number right at the front that you will make this kind of money using this software, that's a total scam. Because first of all, I want to know the calculation. Prove me this calculation. How is it 371 only? Why is it not 471? Why is it not 271? Why is it not 171? Why is it not 1171? Why is it only 371? Give me the profit, give me the loss, give me budget. What have you done? Okay, prove me this number. If you can't, then it's a scam. Anyways, let's do one thing before we go totally into this LoopholeLink review. What you need to check is you need to go through our disclaimers first, because the secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online. That's the whole motive of this channel, okay? Because if you keep losing money on the internet, you will never be making any money. Second thing is concept of bonuses exposed on this channel. So we'll talk about how people brainwash you in the name of bonuses. Some YouTubers, or maybe all YouTubers, when you go on to review, if you go onto YouTube to search for reviews, all these YouTubers are giving you high $10,000 bonus, $5,000 bonus. Are you freaking? Have you lost your mind somewhere? Go pick up your mind and talk sense, okay? Bonus is something which is credited into your bank account as a salary, as a liquid cash. That's called bonus. So don't crap me about bonuses. So we'll talk about that in the end. And then here, let's say we go back to the subscribe thing. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new, because nobody else in the world will tell you the truth, okay? Because here, I'm not here to sell you crap. This channel is not about selling you crap. This channel will only tell you what is the actual truth, so that you can save some money, okay? So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and press that bell notification, and ask your questions in the comment box if you have any, okay? And now let's start the review here. You can see on the screen it shows 371 per day passively. And by the way, the free traffic they're talking about spamming your Twitter account, okay? So they're asking you to spam your Twitter account, and they'll do this for you. I'll get into the dashboard as well. I'll go into the dashboard and show you exactly how this crap, this is a scammer, okay? He is a big time scammer. Let me show you his profile. Let's go to Warrior Plus. This is his name, okay? He is in Malaysia, I guess. He has been launching these scam products in the past as well. He has made a lot of sales. He has made 19,431 sales. But take a look at the ratings here. So out of 512 ratings, he has only an average of 1.79. Understand the point here. You have a rating of 1.79 out of 5. And 512 people have left the ratings on Warrior Plus, which means he's launching dodgy products. He's launching scam products. People are not happy with his products, but still he is making money, because on Warrior Plus, if you launch scam products, you will make money. That's how Warrior Plus works, okay? And now let's go to YouTube as well, because this person is actually having a YouTube channel as well, and that is where he is getting mostly sales from. So let's say if I type in his name, and then you can see on the screen that his channel will come up. He has a lot of subscribers, 551k subscribers, a lot of people to fool around. And then if you go ahead and open one of the videos, if you open any of these videos, below the video, you will find the affiliate links of his own dodgy products that go ahead and buy this product and you will make money online. This is how he is making a living, okay? By feeding on you, by scamming on you. Because in affiliate marketing, if you can't scam, then you can't make money. Because in a genuine way, you will make very less money, okay? Now let's get to the website again. There's not much on the website to talk about. It's totally scam, okay? So it says autopilot buyer traffic in 30 seconds. Are you out of your shoes, okay? 30 seconds buyer traffic. Why don't you use it for yourself? Use the software bloody for yourself and make as much money you want. We don't need your software, okay? Why are you begging us to buy this software in 17 bucks and then go and make money and become a millionaire? I don't want to be a millionaire, okay? Don't sell me this crap. So do not sell me this crap, 30 seconds buyer traffic, never seen before, blah, blah, blah. Quit your job and come on the road and beg people, give me 50 cents. I'm a beggar now because I bought this product, I lost all my money, and now I'm a beggar, okay? So go on the road, sleep on the street, okay? Well, that's what's gonna happen if you buy this product. And I will not waste much of the time on this website. You know, these are fake reviews, fake screenshots and all that. 3 steps, buy the software and lose your money. Second, put your affiliate link. Third, go to sleep and forget that you did something. So these are some fake pictures. You can see that you will find this person you will find on every Warrior Plus Make Money website. He's also a scammer because these are the people who are launching these kind of products, you know, for every other vendor on Warrior Plus, okay? So these are some scam screenshots you can see. No, don't fool around here. Let's cut the crap. I don't have to waste my time on this. Let's go into the dashboard. First of all, the first screenshot is this is the dashboard, okay? Now you have to type in some name here. This is all bullshit, okay? Loophole campaign, submit campaign, create ebooks. Now, my ebooks. Are you really expecting to make money selling ebooks in 2021? God's sake, I'm having a headache here. This is so pathetic. I have never seen such pathetic products in my life, okay? Next thing is these are some done for you funnels, okay? So when you go ahead and select your campaign, they will give you some pre-installed templates. You can choose one of the templates. So these are like opt-in pages. You can choose which kind of opt-in pages you want. Then you can create funnel, my funnel, this funnel, all crap, this crap, that crap. I'm done with this. So here you will get lost. You will not know what to do, and this is not gonna make you any single money, my friends. You will only end up losing the money. If you don't trust me, go ahead and buy, and then you will understand how much you have lost. Then these are the publishers. You can say here they're asking you to go ahead and post your ebooks so that you can sell them. So they're asking you to go ahead and make a Kindle account and then post those ebooks on Kindle, which you will generate from here. Post them on Payhip, post them on these kind of sites. I don't even know what that is. Have you worked on Rakuten Kobo before? Have you worked on Sales before? Have you worked on eJunkie before? Have you worked on any of these platforms before? Why are you wasting your time? Don't waste your time, okay? Let's go to the last thing here, which is your buyer traffic, free traffic, 30-second traffic, bullshit traffic. This is what it is. So they're asking you to link your Twitter account, your Instapaper account, to some other social media account, and once you link that account, then you will be able to post your ebooks, your affiliate links to Twitter, to Instapaper, and then you're supposed to get some sales and people are going to buy. This is the concept they have. Like, you create some ebooks, you create some opt-in pages, then you go ahead and post your spammy links on Twitter and Instapaper, and you are supposed to make some money with that. Are you freaking kidding me here? Why am I doing so much hard work here? Put a like on this video if you're understanding what I'm saying. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, because not everybody else is going to tell you the truth. Everybody else is going to sell you crap, this and that, okay? Now, in the end, let's talk about bonuses here, because every other affiliate is going to crap you about bonus. Here, there's no such thing bonus, okay? Bonus is nothing. Bonus is only brainwashing your mind. So do not fall for anybody giving you some $1,000 bonus, some $10,000. Is it coming into your bank account? It's not coming into your bank account, okay? So bonus is nothing. It's only brainwashing your mind. In case if you have to buy the product, only focus on the main product, because let's say you are trying to research on a LoopholeLink, right? Now, along with LoopholeLink, if you get 4 product as a bonus, if I give you 10 bonuses right now along with LoopholeLink, do you even know what you're going to do with those 10 bonuses? Do you have any plan? Do you have any strategy? Do you even know how to operate or use those bonuses? So why are you after bonuses? There's no such thing called as bonus. It's totally a scam, okay? And even though in the end, if you want so much bonuses, I'll give you all the unlimited bonuses which I have for you. You go to this website called idplr.com. Let me put in the R as well here in the end. Now, once you go on to this website, which is called idplr.com, which you will see in my every video. So here you can get as many bonuses you want. You can go to under free products. You have free ebooks, free software, free videos, free. So in this case, let's click on free ebooks. Now, once this page is open here, you will see a lot of free ebooks with master resale rights. You see master resale, master resale, master resale, which means you can download the ebook from here and then you can resell it at a cost, at a price to somebody else if you know how to bring traffic. In 2021, it is very difficult to make money by selling ebooks. So for God's sake, don't waste your time and money on this particular scam software. This person, what is his name? Let's go back. This person is a big time scammer, okay? I don't know why these people are making these kind of scam products. If you are a good IT person, if you can make websites, you can make softwares, why don't you make something genuine so that people can use it? You know, you can still make money even by producing or even by creating a genuine software, a genuine website. Why don't you be Mark Zuckerberg? Why you have to scam people? So you can earn money even by doing some genuine, if you launch some good softwares, you can still make money. But these people choose to scam you. So even you are good in IT, but still you're going for scamming, because that's the shortcut to make money if you are able to scam people. So in the end, do not buy all this crap. If you want unlimited bonuses, go to idplr.com, get as many bonuses you want. And in the quest of make money online, if you want to make money online, there are only two ways these days. Either you have your own YouTube channel, make YouTube videos, earn from YouTube revenue, and grow your channel. That's one way. If you can't run YouTube channels, if you're not good in speaking, if you're not comfortable in coming on the camera, you don't have to. You can have your own website, you can run your own blog or a website, and then you can make some money with the review blogs if you want to. Now, if you already have a blog or a website, and if you're paying monthly for that, for hosting, now you need to stop losing your money, because let's say if you're with GoDaddy, Namecheap, or some Bluehost, Dreamhost, and you pay them like $15 every month, and you don't even make that much. So what you should do is you should change your hosting plan. If you're a beginner, if you don't have a website, then choose unlimited hosting. I will put a link in the description below. You can click on the link and you will come to this website called hostsespresso.com. Now this website gives you unlimited hosting for your domains, for your website. That means you don't have to pay anything extra for coming months. So you buy this unlimited hosting in just one-time cost, which is like $17, or if you have any coupon, then it will cost you $12. So you buy this unlimited hosting only for 17 or $12, and then you don't have to pay every month for this hosting. Okay, so now you can see they are giving you a discount of $5, which means you can buy this in only $12 today, and you can save all your money which you're paying every month for hosting account. And once you have unlimited hosting, then you can focus on concentrating on creating your own blogs, your own content, your review pages, and that's how you can make money online. So two ways to make money online: have your own review website, blog websites, or run your own YouTube channel. Now, how do you make reviews? For example, here, let's say we come to this Google search and type in LoopholeLink review. Okay, now once you type in this thing here, you will see the first two are YouTube pages, and then is there any website. So as you can see here, for this particular product, this website has made a review, which is dopereview.com. okay, similarly you can have your own blog, your own website, and then you can do your own reviews. And let's take a look how his review looks like. So this is how their review looks like. They have attached the images, their links and everything. So you can take a reference from Google how these people are reviewing all these products on Warrior Plus and Zavizu, and then you can run your own blogs, and then in the long run you will make some money from commissions in the long run. This is not going to work instantly. So if you're paying extra for hosting every month, make sure you don't pay every month. Go for unlimited hosting. The link is in the description. And don't buy this LoopholeLink. This is total scam. This person, the creator of the product, is a scammer, big time scammer. Okay, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, otherwise you will lose your money. We'll see you in the next video shortly.